Hi, I'm Gary, the host and producer at macmost.com. This is a course about Mac Photos. Photos is the app that comes with your Mac that allows you to organize, manage, edit, and share your photos. I'm going to show you how to use Photos 3.0, which is the version that comes with macOS High Sierra, released in September 2017. We'll be looking at the tools that allow you to organize your photos by creating albums, tagging with keywords, adding titles, and descriptions. You're going to learn how to use iCloud photo library so that all of your photos are available on all of your devices. You'll also learn how to edit photos with filters, retouching tools, cropping, and detailed color and lighting adjustment tools. Then you'll learn how you can share your photos directly with others or on the web through a gallery or social media. I'm also going to show you some advanced features like the ability to search by faces and objects in your photos. You'll also see how you can add third-party extensions and edit photos in external apps. Photos is a very full-featured app. You could use it just to import the photos from your camera or phone, but there's so much more that you can do. I'm going to show you how you can take full advantage of all the different features in the Photos app.